Welcome to Motorhome Luxury. Today we're stepping inside one of the world's most spectacular and unique luxury motorhomes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving palace, a true masterpiece of design that feels more like a luxury villa cruising down the highway. Let's start with the exterior design. This motorhome stands out instantly with its two-story structure, massive glass windows, and even an open balcony. Imagine driving across scenic landscapes while enjoying a balcony view. This feature alone makes it completely different from any regular RV. From the outside, it looks futuristic and elegant, but the real magic begins once you step inside. First, let's explore the bedroom. The moment you walk in, it feels like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. A plush king-size bed takes center stage, designed with high-end mattresses that promise maximum comfort. The golden accented headboard adds a royal touch, while modern glass and gold lamps on each side elevate the room's luxury feel. The floor is finished with white marble, layered with a navy blue and white carpet for extra sophistication. On the walls, stylish art pieces give the room a modern vibe, while the ceiling combines LED lighting with wooden textures to create a calm, cozy atmosphere. To top it off, a large flat-screen TV is mounted on the wall, making this bedroom the perfect private retreat during long journeys. Next, we move on to the lounge or entertainment room, and trust me, this is where things get impressive. The focal point here is a massive 85-inch OLED display perfectly placed at the center of the wall. Just beneath it, you'll find a sleek, modern fireplace that not only warms the space, but also sets a welcoming and relaxed mood. Elegant wall lighting and decorative artwork frame the screen beautifully, adding character and sophistication. On both sides of the room, you'll notice stylish, plush sofas that invite you to sit back and unwind. A glass coffee table with a floral centerpiece completes the setup, making this space perfect for entertainment or relaxation. Once again, the floor is marble with golden streaks, and the ceiling is fitted with LED panels and golden details that highlight the modern yet luxurious design. This lounge is not just a living room, it's an experience. Now, let's head over to the kitchen, a true showpiece of style and functionality. The kitchen is finished entirely in polished black marble, accented with golden lines that create a stunning contrast. Equipped with a modern induction cooktop, a built-in oven, and a large double-door refrigerator, this kitchen has everything you need for gourmet cooking on the road. A built-in touchscreen system on the wall transforms it into a smart kitchen, bringing technology and convenience together seamlessly. You'll also find a wine cooler and stylish glass cabinetry that add a sense of elegance and indulgence. The counters are beautifully staged with fresh fruits and vegetables, adding a touch of life and color. Next to the kitchen is a compact dining area with crystal-clear chairs that reflect light and make the space feel even bigger and brighter. It's not just a kitchen, it's a luxury lifestyle statement. So what does all this mean? This motorhome isn't just about traveling, it's about traveling in absolute comfort and style. Every corner reflects luxury, modern technology, and world-class design. Whether you're going on a cross-country adventure or just a weekend getaway, this motorhome makes you feel like you're living in a moving palace. In conclusion, this is far more than just a motorhome. It's a luxury villa on wheels, a dream ride for anyone who craves comfort, elegance, and cutting-edge technology while exploring the open road. For true luxury travel enthusiasts, this motorhome is nothing short of a dream come true.